How technology changed society. Technology has greatly changed society by improving communication, making work easier, and transforming the way people live and learn. Technology improved communication. People can now talk instantly through messaging apps and video calls. Social media connects friends and families around the world. And information also spread faster through the internet. Technology made work and business more efficient. Machine and computer help people finish tasks faster. Online tools and apps make managing businesses easier. Remote work also became possible because of the internet. Technology changed how people live and learn. Students can study online using digital platforms. Daily life become more convenient with smartphones and smart devices. Entertainment like movies, games, and music are now accessible anytime. Technology has brought many positive changes to society, improving communication, work, and daily life. As technology continues to advance, people must use it wisely to make life better for everyone. That's all. Thank you.